channel. Today video is about this look that I have created. Basically smoky eyes, as you can see. What I have done with this look is that I know that I'm wearing a heavy eye makeup. So what I did was I matched it with this nude lipstick which I'm wearing. This is from Maybelline, and you can accordingly change the lipstick. Like if you're wearing a traditional outfit, suit or sari, you can go with the red lipstick or any other. So I hope you like the video, and if you like it, do comment on it and share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. And without much ado, let's start the video.
For moisturizing my skin, I'm using Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. This is a very good moisturizer and I have been using this for a while. And this is for non-sticky glowing skin. If you ask me what is the one most essential thing for your skin, I would say it's a good moisturizer. Second I'm using is the Color Bar Primer. I've been using this primer since I started doing makeup, and what you have to do is apply a small amount of this primer to your face and create a seamless canvas for your makeup. And if you want to apply foundation, you can apply foundation, concealer, color corrector, whatever you want, but this is really important for creating a base for your makeup. Next I'm using is LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Definition Concealer. I cannot emphasize more on its beauty. The shade I'm using is pure beige, and trust me, this is worth every penny. I just love this concealer, how it conceals my eyes, and I prefer doing concealer with my hands instead of any beauty blender or brush. I think it's more important to dab it in. The key is dab, dab, dab. Dab the concealer under your eyes till it matches your skin tone. Please ignore my dancing in between. I was listening to music while doing my makeup, that's why I was doing this. And very soon I'm gonna do a video on how to use concealers for concealing various areas on your face, and it would be a very good video that would be very useful for you. And on regular days what I do is I just conceal my eyes, and I just put on a good lipstick or lip gloss, whatever is available with me, so that I have minimum makeup and it does not bother me much when I'm outside that whether my makeup is on or not, whether it's in its place, etc. Look at this, man, this looks so beautiful. I just love this concealer. Next I'm gonna use is Lakme Iconic Kajal. I know a lot of you have this kajal with you. I have been using this kajal since my school days, and I think I just love this kajal. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this kajal as eyeliner, so that later I could smudge it with eyeshadow. You don't have to be very precise while creating this line, because ultimately you're gonna smudge it. And as I'm creating a smoky eye look, I'll just go over upper eyelash of my eye, and later I'll just smudge it. You just have to make sure that you fill in the gaps which are present in between. And now I'm gonna smudge it with a brush, so that it creates a smoky effect as well. And you can use any brush that you have. I'm using nude brushes, and do it on the other side of the eye as well. You just have to keep smudging. It's a bit time taking process, but it's worth everything. You can do a smoky eye look with the green kajal pencil as well. It's just that you need a creamy base for that. Next I'm using Makeup Revolution eye palette for creating a smoother smoky eye. I'm using this sugar palette because it has mirror in it, so I'm using it. What I'm doing is I'm gently putting up the eye color on my lids, and I'm just smudging it along with the eyeliner that I have used. I will do this up till my eyelid, and I'm just gonna smoke it out. This eye palette is a matte one, it does not contain any shimmer in it, so you can use it in your college or while going for a casual day out for creating simple looks. Now I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. Make sure to smudge it very well. Smudging is the key, girls. Smoky eyes are always a classic. I don't do it much. I'm doing this video on a friend's recommendation, very close friend of mine. You can see it looks so good. Next, I'm using Nude LA Colors eye palette. I don't know which color is this. I think it's light brown, but I'm gonna use this one on my crease so that it gives a good natural smoky effect on your eyes. I'm doing again the same thing. I'm taking a bit of this product and I'm just going through my crease and smudging it. Later what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a single brush and I'll just go through all over my eye so that it looks evened out, and again doing the same thing on the other eye. I think both these eye palette works good for me. I bought both of these eye palettes from Nykaa sale for around $1000 I guess. The nude eye palette contains shimmer in it, you can use it. Gonna do is I'm using again the Lakme Iconic Kajal for lining my waterline to complete my look. You can see it looks so good. Again I'm doing it on the other eye. You can thicken your kajal in the waterline as much as you want. I like to keep it simple though. As you can see, it looks adorable. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the same brown shade from the Nude LA Colors eye palette beneath my waterline where I have applied the kajal, so it gives a complete finish to my eyes. As you can see, it looks so good, and you can touch it up accordingly. Now on the other side again I'm doing this, and this will look really good when the whole makeup is done, and you will definitely love it. Can you see how good it looks? Now next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the same sugar palette for blushing my cheeks. As you can see, the third one is the blush, and I'm just gonna take the brush and I'm gonna dust off the extra product, and I'm just gonna go over my cheekbone and blend it really well till I get the desired blush color on my cheekbones. You can see it's so light and doesn't look over the top. I'm using this blush as I'm gonna use a nude lipstick for this look, and this blush totally goes with it. I have another one as well, it's of Calabar, I think in the shade Coral, but it won't look good with this. So if you're going for a party or anything else, and if you're putting up a red lipstick or a pink lipstick, you can definitely use a red or a pink blush for your cheeks so that it complements your look totally. You can see it looks super light on your face, and this one is a powder blush. You can use creamy ones as well as per your requirement.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da.
You can see I have used the same highlighter from the same palette, and it looks so good. Next I'm gonna use Maybelline New York Lip Gradation by Color Sensational in the shade Mauve 1. This lipstick is my go-to lipstick. I really use this a lot, and the shade is so gorgeous, and it's very creamy and doesn't dry up your lips. It's so good that you can carry it in your purse and you can touch it up whenever required, and I absolutely love this one. I think I bought this lipstick last year, and this one is my second one. As you can see, it comes with a smudger, but I don't prefer using it. This smudger won't make much of a difference in your lipstick. So you can see now I have completed my makeup, and now I'm just showing off my hair. Just kidding. So yeah, this is the look, and I hope you liked it too.